CBSE board had announced its 10th grade results, and with the blessings of Lord Almighty, many students have passed with flying colors. Today, I'm with the toppers of these exams who, with their hard work and determination, have excelled in achieving the first stepping stone towards their success, and inspiring a lot of students across the nation to work for the future with the same dedication. Congratulations to all our toppers. How did you prepare for your exam? Please share the secret to your success.
I started my preparations with NCERT books as prescribed by CBSE. I thoroughly followed them and read each and every page, each and every line of the book with very calm mind and giving stress to every word of that book.
Continuous practice and giving a lot of mock tests, as well as an in-depth understanding of all the concepts.
I didn't used to have my phone 6 months prior to the board exams. It helped me very much in my studies. Also, I used to study from different books at different times.
I knew whenever I had to study, that time no one disturbs me or nothing comes in between. It was only me and my books.
Having a focused and determined approach. I had prepared a timetable to schedule my study hours and also my rest time. I saw to it that I got enough time for studying. Along with studying, it is equally important to take regular breaks. Eating healthy and good food was also something that I did. I avoided junk food as much as I could. For revision, I used to solve many papers and I used to write answers.
Firstly, I planned my day very well and followed a proper schedule of my bedtime, food time and study time. I had a proper breakfast and food, and that was really necessary in keeping myself healthy. Secondly, I studied in a slow and steady manner and apportioned my revision accordingly.
How did you overcome the challenges of peer pressure and distractions?
I identified my passion and other hobbies which I could do at times when I feel very stressed.
Rather than taking peer pressure as negative, I used it as like healthy competition, which actually helped me in improving my scores and improving my understanding of the concepts. And when it comes to negative peer pressure, I always try to surround myself with people who had kind of same aspirations and aims as me and had a positive outlook.
I overcome my peer pressures and distractions by not using my phone for continuously 6 months. And also I used to go to play football till boards.
Peer pressure everyone experiences as a student, but it was temporary. It was always temporary. Looking up to others is never an option. You should always look up to yourself. That's what helps.
When you are a good student, you are bound to face peer pressure. I did too, but I did not let that affect me. The constant support that I received from my teachers at Ryan and my parents really made it possible for me to overcome the peer pressure that I was facing.
Honestly, I did not worry much about peer pressure or distractions or even my end result. I just focused more on my preparation, and that was enough for me to unlock my potential.
Did you use Chairman Sir's timetable for studies, and how did it help you?
Yes, the timetable sent by respected Chairman Sir, Dr. A.F. Pinto, was very helpful in my preparations. The timetable inspired me to carry out everything in a systematic and organized way.
Chairman Sir's timetable was quite a helpful tool in my preparation, as it really helped me manage my time well between studies as well as other activities.
It made me organize my various activities into a systematic manner.
I improvised it according to me, but one of the takeaways of the timetable was getting up early. I think getting up early really helps you organize your thoughts and what to study, what not to study, and the whole schedule for the day.
It helped me to maintain a balance between my academics, my co-curricular activities, and my assignments.
I followed his motto of early to bed and early to rise very religiously throughout. The two most important takeaways were, first, regular conversation with my parents and my teachers, which helped me to identify my areas of weaknesses and strength and cultivate my curiosity.
The message you would like to convey to our juniors?
To have faith in Lord Almighty, trust your teachers, trust our dearest principal ma'am. They are always there to guide you, and trust your parents who are very hardworking for you. And keep practicing, keep hardworking, and succeed.
Don't take too much stress. Like even the best of the people, the most comprehensive preparations will definitely go in vain if we aren't able to master our mental health. And there's a lot of stigma that's surrounding around board exams, but honestly, the best thing that you can do is just to treat it like any other exam and give your best.
To never stop back and to prepare with all your power, and they should also spend their times on recreational activities such as sports, music, etc.
Stress is something you should not take because it adds up as a negative effect. So no, be relaxed and give your best.
It's not hard to crack the exams if you're focused in your preparation. Learn from your mistakes and do not let any success make you overconfident. Be a good human being and respect everyone around.
Board exams aren't really difficult. If you are focused, you are dedicated, and if you are resilient towards your goal, then you will succeed.
It's indeed a great proud and privilege to congratulate first of all the children who have been the toppers and taken a merits in our school from standard 10 and 12, both from the science stream as well as commerce stream. A hearty congratulations to you and to your family members. You're going to go ahead in your lives, but at the same time, I will prefer that you should not forget the blessings of the Lord Almighty. Keep God as your priority when you start anything in your lives, as you're going to meet many new challenges. And being a true Rhinite, what we have learned from our camps, the life skills programs under the leadership and mentors and inspiration of our chairman, Sir Dr. F. Pinto, and our managing director, Madam Grace Pinto, you will definitely going to go ahead in your lives and facing the new challenges very strongly and having a lot of self-confidence which you have gained all through the years being in life.
Those were some very insightful stories shared with us today. Thanks to our toppers today, we know that to achieve something, one must trust in Lord Almighty and one's own hard work. On that note, this is Vijay Anushka Shah signing off for Rank.